Finding a free quality resource to learn machine learning online is so tough. Many content creators claim to teach AI, but just give definitions without diving deeper into the concepts. Those who dive deeper start directly by breaking down advanced topics. Some say you don't need much math, just high school level math is sufficient, and skip it in their courses. While many of us might have simply memorized the formulas in school and moved on after the exams, it's important to understand them visually and know how they work. For example, many of us know matrix multiplication, but may not understand why it's done the way it is or where it's used in the real world. After extensive research on various online resources, I have gathered the best resources for math, machine learning, and deep learning. Let's start with math. The most important mathematical concepts we need to learn for artificial intelligence are linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. For all math videos, watching the series from the 3Blue1Brown YouTube channel is best to understand them visually. But if you don't want to spend longer time on math, then for linear algebra, watch the video Linear Algebra for Machine Learning by Tadane Bradley, a PhD holder in math. She explains the concepts specifically in the perspective of machine learning. For calculus, the free MIT course, Single Variable Calculus, will give you enough knowledge with practical examples on calculus to get started for AI. For statistics, the book The Introduction to Statistical Learning keeps things simple, explaining the concepts in depth with examples we use while training AI models. But if you don't enjoy reading books, don't worry. I brought you a site called Seeing Theory, which explains the statistical concepts using games. You can choose the concept you want to learn and then follow their instructions to play the game. Based on your games, the output graphs get adjusted automatically, whether it is heads or tails, rolling the die, or any other probability-related games. Now comes machine learning. To start machine learning, Andrew Ng's machine learning specialization is the best one, but the entire course is not free. Some part of it is freely available on YouTube. If you are a beginner, watching these videos before diving into advanced books or courses could make you familiar with the concepts. Another best site is Google's Machine Learning Crash Course. It provides many exercises, each divided into different modules with videos and real-world examples, which also consist of exercises and test your knowledge sections. So you can test how much you understand for every concept you read. Next comes deep learning. The best free resource for deep learning is MIT's famous course, Introduction to Deep Learning. Even big companies like OpenAI suggest their non-AI field-related employees look into this course. This course contains different concepts of deep learning. It has both videos and codes. By the time you open the site, if you see this message, "Edition is coming soon," then don't worry. You can watch the videos by searching the name on YouTube. This could be because they're updating the contents of the video. If you don't want to go through such a big course, then you can go through this book, Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow. This might not cover all the concepts covered by the MIT course, but it definitely gives you confidence in working with deep learning. But make sure not to directly jump into this book. As a beginner, one might feel this difficult to complete. I've provided 2 different sources for each concept. Either it could be a book, video course, or site. So you can select the mode of learning you want and start learning to become an expert in artificial intelligence. Like the video if you learned something new today. Also, subscribe so that you don't miss many new videos coming to the channel.